So hey guys, welcome to this channel Herbola Data Science, and here I'm going to share my all experience related to AI, startup and research all in this channel. So basically my name is Chitranshu and I am startup founder here at IIT Madras. So basically I have a startup incubated at Incubation Center IIT Madras, and I am also a LLM research developer here at Data Science Lab at IIT Madras. Along with that, I have worked with quite a lot of projects, including some projects from Research Park, IIT Madras, really where I was end to end, where I developed end to end AI agentic system for a sales team. And related to that, we have done so many projects, and I have done project for Warwick University where I was a LLM developer for again for a full stack application for them, and I have written 4 research paper on LLMs and presented them on conferences, international conferences, AIML systems in Bangalore, code from ISB in Varanasi, and there are a lot many that we can discuss later. But the main point of in this channel is where I can share all my learnings, all my experience, and what exact thing are needed for a beginners, and what should the career path or what should the path they should follow to utilize all the AI trend and AI boom. And there will be like lot many new jobs that will be coming in AI field, and how you can utilize all those things like vibe coding, and how you can build applications just by using some prompts. So we'll be going to cover all those things, like how a beginner can start their coding journey, they're building their AI application, all those things. And yes, this channel will be there will be lots of discussions related to projects. So I am doing this work since 2020, and I have experience of past 5 years. I have been building applications when there was no AI by writing code manually, and now we have AI like Claude, Cursor and all those, and now it's a lot more easier for us to build application. Now we get some time to think what should we build, and we now don't need a team of 10 people to build application. A single person can build an entire app. So that is the possibility today in today's world, and that is what you are going to know more about in this channel, like how a person can utilize all this technology to build amazing stuff. So stay tuned. I'll be sharing my all experience that I have gained in six internships, 4 research papers, lot many freelance projects, and yeah. And right now I'm at IIT Madras, so we'll try to utilize as much as possible, and we'll do some great content here at IIT Madras. So do follow or do subscribe the channel now. See you. Also, I have a Instagram page. If you are interested in Instagram short form content, you go and follow me there. I create some short funny videos there. Bye. Subscribe.